Hello everyone, this is Jonathan Akasdashian. Welcome here on my YouTube channel today. The topic we are going to talk about is quite sensitive. It is very much on trending, and it is ruining most of the 60% of lives also in India right now. Yes, you might not know, but it is ruining everybody's life. So make sure you watch this video fully and then you decide anything else. We are going to talk about the topic of Javed Habib today. You might all know that what have been done and what have been not done properly or correctly. So yeah, so keep on watching. Make sure to like or share this video as much as possible. Also make sure to subscribe this channel if you think it is worth it, and also hit the notification bell so you can also get all the notifications in future what I put in these videos or about these topics. Now let's get started. So the video you have been seeing, which have been gone viral in internet in night, maybe in hours or seconds, I am not going to show that video on my channel because I do not want to promote any kind of hatred toward anybody or anyone in this world. um, because just by showing that video, I know that I will promote a lot of hatred toward a person who is connected to a lakhs and lakhs of people who hold their future in his particular person's hand. So I I just do not want to share hatred on my channel. So guys, if you are coming in this channel to watch that video particularly, you can sign out immediately because I am not going to show it. And now let's talk about it. On 6th of January 2022, on in the 9 of 10 p.m., I have saw this video going viral on Instagram. I have also protested there on my stories. So with the hashtag of justice, but that is not enough. As you all know, the brand Javed Habib have been the biggest chain in India from every single state of India. It also holds the hugest line of hairdressers in, I'll say, in a community. So, before saying anything hatred or before saying anything hateful toward this particular man or this brand will be a disaster. I just want to tell that just for fame, just for earning any kind of fame, losing your own humanity, it's not okay. I have started my career in maybe 2010 as a makeup artist, nail technician, also a beautician. I have always thought of become a hairdresser, but I have never been one because I was waiting that I will also go to the Javed Habib Academy and I will get my certificate from there because all of my friend does have it. But from after seeing this particular video, it changes my mind totally. Now, what we need to do think about is before deciding anything, the example. In one tree itself, there will be hundreds of fruits, but not all the fruits will be sweet. Some fruits also can be bitter or sour. So we throw that fruit away, but we do not throw out the whole tree. Now that we have come to the conclusion of spitting on someone's head, I think this can be done only by an insane person. I do not know what was in his mind because I was not even there. So I am not judging that person. But just by spitting on somebody's head, he also shows that he can do anything for fame, which is not right. And I really feel very bad about the person or the woman who was sitting on that chair on that very moment, on that very day. Yes, as Javed Habib says, your life measures by the moments what takes your breath away. I do think that this very moment, it is taking his breath away. And yes, it is also taking breath away from a lot of hairdressers who is working in their brands and who is working in this community from a long time, a period. There is a lot of friends of mine who are working in their salons and they have been tormented from their salons. Thus, clients have been asking for this video and they are being abused nowadays, which is not right. How to say? The students who are learning from that academy, they're absolutely not guilty. The person who are working for the company, they are not guilty, but the company owner itself, he is only the person who is guilty. So if any problem comes through, it is coming on everybody. So make sure to take decisions before that. Now we talk about what kind of protests or what kind of things can be done towards Javed Habib. Okay, so now we come to the conclusion of legal actions can be taken towards this particular person. Yes, I do think there should be legal actions towards this particular person. According to according to section IPC 504, whoever provokes intentionally or gives hates towards anybody will be judged. According to section number 320 IPC, there should be, if they have made any kind of gesturing problems or intentionally any kind of insulting things to a woman or a public servant, it will be judged. There is more. Section 228 and section 3, the biggest. And also, in this pandemic situation, when the COVID is going on so high, also should be legal actions toward section IPC 144, 188, 259 maybe. If I'm telling anything wrong, let me know in the comment section down below also. Yeah, so for today's video, I just want to say that before giving anybody hatred, is just think about it once more, because you do not want to make anybody's life miserable who are working for their family. You know, just because of one person, there will be lakhs of people who are suffering. And to Javed Habib sir, I am sorry for you who have lost your humanity or humanity towards fame. And to the person who was sitting on that chair on that very day, the woman, I am sorry for you that this kind of problem or this kind of insulting thing happened to you, my darling. And to my channel viewers, not everybody's life or not everybody is bad, but some actions can take their life with a storm of wind. So before doing anything, just think about it once. I am putting this video on this channel this very day, and hope it is going positively and it is spreading positivity, not negativity. And I am very sorry for those people who have to close down their salons just because of this stupid incident have happened. And I am very sorry for those people who are suffering. I'm sorry, my friends. I am also suffering because you are a part of me. As I am also in this industry, I suffer as you suffer. So, God bless you all. And also, see you on my next video. Bye, guys.